The Case Prep Duo makes quick work of various reloading chores. The cordless multifunction tool accommodates case neck brushes, primer pocket cleaners, and chamfer deburr accessories. The swivel body and integrated rubber feet allow convenient benchtop or handheld use. The 8/32 spindle head can be used for various reloading functions, or remove the 2-spindle head and use it as a powered screwdriver with standard 1/4-inch hex bits. Spend less time at the reloading bench and more time shooting with the Hornady Case Prep Duo.
With the M12 fuel impact, there was plenty of power to do what we do throughout our day.
The M12 impact has a lot of power, more than I was expecting for such a small drill, and I was impressed with it.
It is lightweight. It still can be used in a heavy-duty application.
Just fits in your hand perfect, fits in your tool pouch, you can pull it out no problem.
You can get in tighter spaces.
And it's really compact, feels good in your hand when you're using it, it's nice and light. A lot of other impacts don't have the speed settings on it.
I use the modes on the M12 impact a lot.
Well, the advantage of having the 4 modes to the drill is you're doing different applications throughout your day. You're doing either finishes, you're doing install, or you're going through big heavy material. So it's nice that you can switch it up.
And if you have a bunch of M12 tools, one battery works in all your tools.
Oh, I love that impact. Usually everyone's going bigger, but the 12 is a good change because it's doing the job.
The M12 impact has everything you need. You can get into small places, and it has more than enough power to get the job done.
This is the DCC 2018 HL Rebar Cutter by BN Products USA. This cordless rebar cutter will safely and cleanly cut rebar up to 3/4 inch diameter, grade 60. This cordless cutter has an additional handle, and the cutting head can rotate up to 360 degrees for varying applications. This tool ships complete with a sturdy carrying case and comes with two 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, as well as a fast-charge battery charger. Well, that's a look at the DCC 2018 HL Cordless Rebar Cutter. For more information and to find a distributor near you, visit bnproducts.com.